Sharad Patil Mahavidyalaya, Meerut. Today we are speaking about a step towards sustainable development. Nowadays, due to the use of artificial fertilizers, the reported cultivation of cash crops, the texture and the fertility of the soil are decreasing, and this leads to the soil pollution, which directly affects the human's health. The soil pollution also causes the water pollution, and also toxic substances get into vegetables, fruits, leading to carcinogenic diseases. Infertile and polluted soil is harmful to the not only for us but also the future generation. Healthy future generation requires pure water, air, healthy future generation requires pure air, water, soil, and nutritious food. So it is our duty to preserve soil in good condition for them. One traditional method is to improve our soil fertility is planting hadga, a local plant in Maharashtra. It producing plants that increases the humus content in the soil and helps its fertility to increase naturally. It can be planted on the boundaries of the farmer. A role is uses of this plant will explain my friend after.
The role of hadga plant in nitrogen fixation of soil. Hadga is a leguminous plant. Its roots have rhizobium bacteria in small nodules. This bacteria absorb nitrogen gas from the air and convert it into nitrates, which plants can use. This process increases nitrogen content in the naturally. Now, soil improvement. Hadga leaves and steam decompose quickly. This improves soil fertility and texture. In organic matter and microbial activity, it also improves soil aeration and moisture retention. Reduces the need for chemical fertilizers because hadga naturally adds nitrogen. Farmers can use less chemical fertilizers, making farming eco-friendly. Marketing of hadga plant. Plant can be used by farmers for green manure and soil improvement. Nurseries for sapling sales. Health consumers for Ayurvedic and nutritional use. In food industries for vegetable and herbal product production. Pharmaceutical companies with herbal formulation.
Medical uses of hadga plant. Hadga plant is commonly identified as a Sesbania grandiflora. It also known as a agati or hummingbird tree. Various parts of this plant like roots, stem, leaves and buds are used in traditional medicine. Traditional and folk medicines of hadga plant for vision problem. Flowers and leaf juice are used for night blindness and other eye condition. Fever and infection used to general fevers like smallpox and other infection including tuberculosis and microbial infection. Head itch and respiratory issue. Leaf or flower extractor. It is used in nasal drop to relieve head itch and nasal catarrh. It is used for bronchitis and cough. Wound healing and skin. Leaf paste is applied to the wounds and burns. Ulcer is used for skin disease like scabies. Now employment of opportunities related to hadga plant. Hadga cultivator. Farmer grow hadga for flowers, leaves and green manure. Employment of landless laboratories, sowing, watering and harvesting. Nursery worker. Employment in producing hadga, seedling and sapling. Seed collector. People collect the seed hadga. People collect and clean hadga seeds for selling farmers and nurseries. The flowers of hadga plant sold it as a vegetable.
Traditionally used for conditions like headache, jaundice, smallpox and to promote memory and intellect, digestive health. The leaves can act as a digestive tonic while the bark is used of dysentery and diarrhea. And ailment treatment is used in Ayurveda. Ayurveda to treat a wide array of conditions including fevers and headaches, disorder, anemia and eye problems. Hadga plant show the antibacterial activities also.
Thus, by planting Sesbania grandiflora, we can save one of the